Hold on, babe. No, not for them. Dual wants it. He's huge. He's the size of Sophia.
27. My second biggest ever.
Yeah, I think you should keep him.
Let's see if we can get it going.
I can't see it. Mike.
Man, that's a fat fish.
Is he gonna make it?
Yeah, he's waking up a little bit.
Waking up. He's unconscious.
Nah.
Right? Exactly. Somebody else is gonna catch it, Mike.
I might have to keep it.
I think you gotta keep. I think it's a sign. Oh shoot, Mike! I haven't been recording this whole time.
Okay, start recording now.
Just kidding. Just messing with you. Yeah, Daddy caught a fish! Yay!
Yeah!
Mike, let it go. She got away.
That's an adrenaline rush, man, I swear.